Let's see how to use public Wi-Fi safely in places like coffee shops and airports without compromising your data by following these 5 tips. Number 1. Avoid sensitive activities. When using public Wi-Fi, never access your online banking, email, or social media accounts. These Wi-Fi networks can be easily hacked, allowing attackers to intercept and steal your data. Number 2. Use a VPN. Your best bet is to use a virtual private network, or VPN, before doing anything on public Wi-Fi. VPNs encrypt your internet connection, making it much harder for hackers to monitor your online activity. Number 3. Use incognito mode in your browser. If you must use a public or shared computer, such as in a library or hotel, always use incognito mode. This ensures that your browsing history and account logins are not saved, preventing unauthorized access to your accounts and protecting your data from being saved on the device. Number 4. Be aware of social engineering. In crowded areas, be mindful of your surroundings. People can easily see what you're doing on your mobile or laptop, so be cautious about displaying sensitive information. Number 5. Avoid public charging stations. Public charging stations, often found in airports and other public spaces, can be convenient but risky. Hackers can exploit these stations to install malware or steal your data in a process known as juice jacking. Instead, carry a portable charger or use your own charger with an adapter in a regular power socket, instead of plugging directly into public USB ports. By following these tips, you can safely use public Wi-Fi while keeping your personal information secure. Stay vigilant, stay protected, and happy browsing.